In this video, I have a Whirlpool dryer. It's on the top, on the upper right, and you grab by the handle and you pull this out. And this is where all of the lint collects on this screen right here. So you just need to go ahead and slide your fingers across it to start to bring the lint up off of it. You kind of ball it up. You should really do this every load. Every other is fine though if you don't have a lot of lint building up. But I find that every time I check these buildings, I have tenants in these buildings and they don't do this. So I have to come by and proactively do this so that we don't have issues with the machines. So it's very simple. It just slides right out. It's a screen on this handle, and then you just put it back into that tray and push it forward, and it slides right in. Done.